Hello everybody, Carolina Tony coming to you today from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina at Simply Southern Smokehouse here on Joe White Boulevard. It's kind of a out of the way place. A lot of locals eat here. And we're gonna go inside and I'm gonna show you why. But right after the station identification. Hey y'all, Carolina Tony here. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Join me as I travel the highways and byways in search of adventure, where we will explore roadside attractions, abandoned places, historical, and even the weird and strange. And hey, maybe a food review or two. Please subscribe. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Be sure to click that bell so you won't miss any future videos. Alright, I have barbecue, candy yams, collards, and chicken bob, which for some of you don't know is chicken cooked in rice with a little bit of sausage. And we add a little bit of hot vinegar sauce to it. Not only did we get serenaded while we eat barbecue,
I know that Jesus is the mountain. Oh, I know that Jesus is, oh, Jesus is the mountain. Well, I know that Jesus is the mountain. Every day will be Sunday, really wind on the low. Sabbath will have no wind, really wind on the low. I'm going where the chilly wind, chilly wind don't blow.
oh yes, that's what I'm talking about. A little bit of sweetness to it, a little bit of fire. Good. So you might ask yourself, is the barbecue good? It's dang good. And so is everything else. As Andy would say, mighty fine, mighty fine. Well, I finished my meal. It was really, really good. If you're ever up this way, you owe it to yourself to come over to Joe White Boulevard and check out Simply Southern Smokehouse. Some good barbecue, some good country eating. And for now, y'all have a good day.